Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So this is going to be somewhat of a quickie. I've done a video like this years back, and so I'm just going to do a quick, kind of update kind of thing. So this is called Sculpey Bacon Bend. I'm not sponsored or anything. I buy these myself. This is a doll from a dollar store. She's supposed to be a mermaid. And I took the bacon bend. I love doing this. And I pushed her face in it. That's all I did was I took it, I rolled it in a ball, I took her, I squirted water on her face, and I pushed her face in. And when I took it out, I kind of manipulated it a little bit. And the reason I do that is because, I could have a general same look, right? The same face. I like to make creepy dolls. I like to put creepy baby dolls everywhere and blah, 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 blah. So, as you can see, I kind of made the face a little rounder and the cheeks deeper and that kind of thing. So if I take this regular piece of polymer clay, and I'm gonna kind of squish it a little bit. I like to take a squirt of water, and then I'll take this, and there's so many different ways to get faces. So I can push it in, and what the water does is it makes it not stick. And I'll just push it real good. And then I'll take it out, and you see, here's one way. Now you can see the nose, it's squished. I don't necessarily care, but if you care and you want more of a, more accurate nose, just roll it up. I had this conditioned real nice and it firmed up on me. I started doing other things. Okay. Now I have a video coming, I'm going to put up in a bit. I have a couple that I really have to edit together, but if you're interested, it's going to be just a real quick video on bone broth. So keep an eye out for that later today, probably within the next hour or two. Okay, so I have it in a ball, and you can see here's a little nose indent, right? So I'll have it, and then you can pinch, just pinch it, just so you can see a little like mush coming out, right? And that will try to aim it for the nose so it goes into that indentation so you don't get squished. Now it may squish, I don't know. I like to sometimes, because I have RA and fibro, turn it upside down like that. Now you can see some of the product that's in the Sculpey, the oils or whatever, on this brown paper kind of leached out that quickly. So I would probably advise doing it on parchment or a non-stick surface so nothing sucks and leaches that out. I'm not worried about that at the moment. But you see, kind of looks like Michael Myers. But you see how that came out? And the nose now is perfection. And when I molded her, when I molded this, you can see the difference. The face is rounder. The cheeks are deeper on my mold. And that was just the way I molded it. I'm sorry, my cats are going nuts, of course, as soon as I start recording. So, next... So you saw that face. So another thing that you can do is I'm just rolling it like this. I should have grabbed my nonstick. And then I'll give it a little pinch, just like that, just so you have a little indentation. And you can go in, give it a push. And I'm not even going to go deep, right? Oh my God, the jokes, Kelly. But you can see, you can make the face a little rounder. So I can then go with my hands. See how that looks? Almost Buddha-like, right? I can make the face oval. I can make it square. I could, push it down. Emily washed her dog. We have a rescue Maltese. And old as dirt, but she's sweet as can be, but she just got her hair cut and washed, Emily. Emily did that. But you see how we make it square, and like you can change the cheeks. You could push them back a little bit. You can make it more contoured. You can make it more oval. So you can do whatever you want. It's a lot of fun. And you can change it like whatever way you want. And I use Bacon Bend because it is obviously a little bendy, as you can see. Where if you use regular polymer clay, which you can, but understand if you use regular polymer clay as your mold, when you go to then take put clay in to get the impression out, make sure you spray it with water so it's not sticky. Now, some people will take baby powder, cornstarch, and kind of dust it in, so it helps take it out. It's up to you what you have. So this is so cool. Like I said, it's Bacon Bend. Now, let me show you. This is just a piece of this that I flattened. And I don't know if you watched, but I did my dollar store haul to use. And all I did was I took it and I pushed it down on here, right? Push it, right? Okay. Somebody sing it for me because I can't. And then you get this deliciousness. Bake this and you have yourself a stamp. Say what? You got yourself a stamp. So look around your house. You can carve in this. You can, while it's pliable, draw, think, whatever. And now you have this really great stamp, and it has a little bit of flexibility. So when you stamp, you get that great impression. So that is something else. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to give away, let's do orange because it's Halloween. What you'll do is you'll bake this at, I always do 265. Let me see what it says. Dun, 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 dun. It doesn't say on here. Must be inside. Tell you, I'm getting old. I do it at 265. It doesn't say on here. I'll have to like thoroughly look because I don't bake. Okay, here's basic instruction. Well, I am a basic, Yeah, this says you can cook it at 285 for 20 minutes. I did 265. Do not microwave and do not exceed the temperature that they tell you. And wash your hands after use. And I will say I used the blue, and I have a blue cast, and you can see like on her face and hair. Now, if you saw how many baby dolls I have, I went nuts and I bought a ton of baby dolls. Little plastic baby dolls because I love doing stuff with them. So, I mean, not literally doing stuff with them. You know what I'm saying. So, the one that I wanted to do has eye lids that go up and down, and they blink, and I didn't want to use that for this video. But what I'll probably end up doing is gluing them shut so I get a good impression. But that's, I don't want to waste your time. So if you want to win this, and you can, you see I got this out of it and I got this out of it. So, you can get a mold, couple molds, whatever. It depends on how big. Let me know down below. Let me think. Let me know down below what your, oh my gosh, my dog is now hyper. What your favorite color is. Let's just do it very basic. Why not? Let's just continue being a basic one. And yeah, let me know down below what your favorite color is. I will then pick a winner. Today is Tuesday. I will pick the winner Friday, and then I'll mail this out to you, and you will, have your own Bacon Bend. So let me know what you guys think about this. And if you do it, please tag me, my dogs. Oh my goodness. Please tag me on any social media that you follow me on. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, all the fun stuff. And yeah, as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Oh, and I forgot to say I got this at the dollar store. I can't remember if I told you or not. Yeah, and I love you guys so very much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.